and welcome. If you are a student, a parent, or even a working professional, chances are you have heard mixed opinions about career counseling. Some people say it's unnecessary, others believe it's only for students who are confused or weak in studies. Today I want to talk about some of the common myths around career counseling. Myths that often stop students and families from seeking the right guidance at the right time. Let's understand what career counseling really is and what it is not. Before addressing the myths, it's important to clarify what career counseling actually means. Career counseling is a structured process that helps individuals understand their abilities, their interests, their personality traits, and their values, and then connect this understanding to educational and career options. It's not about predicting the future, it's not about forcing a particular career, and it is definitely not about quick answers. Career counseling is about clarity and informed decision making. So, myth 1: career counseling is only for confused or weak students. One of the most common myths is that only students who are confused or poor in academics or struggling need career counseling. In reality, many high-performing and confident students also benefit from career counseling. Why? Because being good at studies does not automatically mean clarity about career decision. Career counseling helps validate existing choices, explore options beyond marks, and reduce unnecessary pressure. Seeking guidance is not a sign of weakness, it is a sign of awareness. Myth 2: a career counselor will decide my career. This is a fear many students have. Let me be very clear. A career counselor does not decide your career. The role of a counselor is to guide you through a process, understanding yourself, exploring options, and evaluating choices logically. The final decision always belongs to the student. Career counseling is about empowerment, not control. Myth 3: career counseling is only needed after class 10th or 12th. Many people believe career counseling is useful only at one point of time, after class 10th or class 12th. But career decisions happen at multiple stages: during school, during graduation, while choosing a specialization, during job change, or even after years of work. Career counseling is not a one-time activity, it is a lifelong support process. Myth 4: psychometrics tests give all the answers. Another major misconception is that career counseling is only about taking tests and getting a report. Psychometric tools are useful. They provide useful information, but they are not the solution by themselves. Without proper discussion and interpretation, test results can be misunderstood, students may feel labeled, and wrong conclusions may be drawn. Effective career counselors combine assessment, conversation, reflection, and real-world context. Myth 5: career counseling is only for students. Career counseling is not limited to students. Many working professionals seek guidance when they feel stuck, experience burnout, want a career change, or feel disconnected from their work. Career counseling helps professionals reassess their strengths, their values, and their long-term goal. Career growth and satisfaction requires reflection at every stage. Myth 6: parents should not be involved in career counseling. Some believe that career counseling should be private, student-only process. While students' autonomy is important, parental understanding plays a critical role, especially for younger students. Career counseling helps parents understand their child's strength, reduce unrealistic expectations, and support decisions constructively. When parents and students are on the same page, decisions become healthier and less stressful. What career counseling actually offers is that when it is done professionally, career counseling provides clarity instead of confusion, confidence instead of fear, and an understanding instead of assumptions. It provides a direction instead of pressure. It helps individuals make decisions they understand and believe in. So in conclusion, career counseling is not about shortcuts or guarantee. It is about making thoughtful, informed choices in a complex world. When we move past myths, we give ourselves and our children the space to explore careers responsibly and confidently. If you are facing important academic or career decisions that feel the need for clarity, professional guidance, to learn more, you can connect with Dr. Balaji Nivlekar, psychologist and career counselor at Career Shodh. Thank you for watching.